Hello everyone, welcome to Birds World Part 2. First up, penguin. 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 Next, duck. 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 Pelicans. 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 Hen. Hen. Hornbill. 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 Crane. Crane. Toucan. Toucan. Vulture. Vulture. Ostrich. Ostrich. Seagull. Seagull. Rooster. Rooster. Myna. Myna. Here is your homework. List out some endangered birds. Let's test your memory. What is the name of this bird? Hornbill. Very good. What is the name of this bird? Penguin. Good job.